Let me not name it to you, you chase stars, it is the cause. Yet I'll not shed her blood, nor scar that whiter skin of hers than snow, and as smooth as monumental alabaster. Yet she must die, else she'll betray more men. Put out the light, and then put out the light. Still got the lines. For Othello, the cause was a handkerchief, not a gift but a warning, symbol of tears, fears, and surrender. Legends call it a breaker of bonds. Vedic stars mark it inauspicious. The goat knew the curse, since his handkerchief turned love into lethal jealousy. Think twice before you hand one over. Some cloth carries doom. In Othello, this seemingly simple cloth is no ordinary token, but a powerful love charm with magic in the web. Othello believed this talisman, dyed in mummy and given by an Egyptian charmer, would keep his wife Desdemona amiable and subdue his own heart entirely to her love. Its loss meant perdition, causing his father's eye to hold her loathly and his spirits to hunt for new fancies. To lose it was to lose love itself, instantly transforming the fond love into Tyranna's hate, unleashing the black vengeance. Othello gives Desdemona a rare embroidered handkerchief, his first promise of love and loyalty. Later in Act 3, Scene 3, when she tries to calm him with it, he pushes it away. It slips from her hand, Emilia finds it, her husband Iago, hungry for a trap, has begged her to steal it. He plants it in Cassio's room to sell his lie of an affair. Othello spots the handkerchief with Cassio and believes the worst. The token of love becomes proof of betrayal. Blinded by jealousy, Othello kills Desdemona, only to learn too late that Iago's plot destroyed them all. When I was in class 10, I played Othello celebrating Shakespeare's 500 years of relevance. But my stage makeup looked more like Mohishashur from the Pandals than the Venetian mood. And honestly, the match fits. Othello, a proud outsider, let jealousy and distrust of women fuel his tragedy. Mohishashur, the mighty shape-shifting demon, cannot bear the power of Ma Durga and meets his downfall. Both show how ego, rage, and misogyny can turn strength into ruin. No wonder my makeup felt strangely accurate that night. So this puja, forget the cursed hanky, keep it for catching sweat and not tragedies. I am Odhiraj, your literary sidekick.